So today I'm going to show you exactly how I customize my iPhone on iOS 27 from setting up the Aurora wallpaper, creating custom app icons, organizing my home screen and adding widgets to create this clean futuristic setup. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Sam. So guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can customize your home screen, your lock screen and your app icons in a way that matches your vibe. I'm going to make this video as quick as possible, so let's dive into it. So guys, this is my current lock screen. You can see I have set it up in a way that it looks really cool, and you can see the wallpaper I am using right now. So I made this wallpaper pack, so if you are interested, I'm going to put a link in the description so you can get yours. I made for the iPhone 17 Pro Cosmic Orange, I made for Deep Blue, I made for Silver White, and I also made black in case you're someone who loves black. So because my phone is an iPhone 17 Pro Cosmic Orange, I'm going to be going with the Cosmic Orange color. So I'm going to click on that and I'm going to press and customize. So basically this is how I would set up my home screen. I would make sure my clock is all the way up or it is either all the way down. I like both. And I also always turn on the spacious scene to give you that depth effect of when you move your phone, it kind of moves with you, which is really nice. I put my battery percentage there, I put my music here, and I also put my Gmail. I have my flashlight and I have my Lightroom photo app right here. That is pretty much everything. And don't forget, up here we have the calendar and we have the weather temperature. That is everything I need on my lock screen. Pretty simple, pretty nice. So now let's dive into the home screen. So right here at the home screen, it is very empty. You can see I barely have anything. So I want you to also do the same. Make sure you take all the applications right now and move it to the app library. All you have to do is, I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's say this was, let's say Instagram is right on the home screen, right here. All you have to do is press on Instagram and you want to click on the remove app. And when you remove app, remove from home screen. Pretty simple. That is how you do that. So now it is pretty empty. So the first thing I'm going to add some widgets. So I downloaded 2 applications and you can get it for free. You don't have to subscribe to anything. So one application is called iPod and the other one is called Astronomy Picture. So I'm going to start with iPod first. So basically when you download the application, it is already on your phone, so you don't have to stress. So all you have to do is come right here, press on your screen, click on this pane right here and click on add widget. So I'm going to add widget first. We're going to click on iPod and we're going to click on this. We want to do like a rectangular add widget and it is going to add the widget right there for you. And there you go. So you can see, I don't know what this is, but it just matches the vibe we're going for. I think that is like okay, yeah, now you see, now it's going. So basically this application kind of shuffles around with astronomy pictures and just kind of place it in the background for you, giving you the vibe of space you might be going for. So that is one widget. So basically this widget is just to match the vibe of my phone. It's nothing too serious, nothing too crazy. So we want to come to the other section right here and you want to also press. So right here we're going to add our widget that that's something that we would be using, like the temperature, like ChatGPT and many other things. We're going to come right here and we're going to come to the clock. So we want to add the clock. So we're going to click on this. I'm going to add that right here. I'm going to click right here so you can see I love the vibe of this. And this is the iPhone clock. This is not a traditional app I downloaded. This is the iPhone clock. I can see right there. Very nice. So you also want to tap on it and you want to click on this as well. You want to add one more widget and let's add our Apple Music. So Apple Music is just going to be pretty small like this. It's going to be, I'm going to make sure Apple Music is right over here because I always love listening to music. So I want to be able to access my music ASAP. So we're going to click on that and you can see we have 2 widgets right now. So the next thing I want to add is going to be a photo album of maybe like space or something really nice. So I'm going to hold on to the screen. I'm going to click on this and we're going to click on add widget and we're going to search for the photos app and then we're going to come to album. We're going to add widget. So basically we're going to take this. First thing we're going to choose the album. I'm going to choose this. I already created it and we're going to click on that and we're going to take that and we're going to make it rectangular like that and we're going to put this all the way down right here and there we go. Now you can take a look at this. Now take a look at this. Look at how cool this is. Like, look, you have your time here, you have your EPUB here, and also this can scroll. You have your calendar as well. You have your portrait, you have your notes, you have your, Google, and you have TikTok, Snapchat, everything all in one right there. While this is your clock, and this is, look at that. So you can see it has like different planets all around there, which is kind of really nice. So the next thing you want to do is you want to add a little bit of applications. Basically the applications that you know you're going to use every time. For me, it's going to be Instagram, Gmail, YouTube Studio, YouTube, Messages, and the phone app. That is basically everything. So one thing you want to do here is it's very, very simple. Just focus and just look at everything I'm going to be doing right now. So the first thing you want to do is you want to come into the photo library, app library, sorry. So you want to click on the shortcut app. So when you click on the shortcut app, you want to click on the plus icon right here. You want to click on the plus icon. I'm going to put that a little bit closer so you can see. You want to click on the plus icon right here, and you want to click on this top arrow right here, and you want to click on edit. And when you click on edit, you want to click on open app. So open app, you tap on the app right here, and let's search for Instagram right here. And you want to first, when you search for Instagram, you want to click on the play so it can open the app. So it's click on play. It opened up Instagram for me. I'm going to take that all the way out, come back to shortcut, and now you're going to click on the share icon right here. You want to click on that, and when you click on that, you want to click on add to home screen. So when you click on add to home screen, you should get this kind of thing. So basically right here, you can change the image, and you can also change the name. If you don't want to call it Instagram, you can call it something else. So one thing I want to do first is I'm going to click on image. I'm going to choose photo. And when you choose photo, it's going to come to the app library, to your app library. So you're going to come all the way and look for your app icon. So I have some app icon right here, different planets. So for Instagram, let me go with I think this is Mars. I'm not really sure. So this is it. You want to zoom in a little bit so you can get all those covered, and you want to click on choose. And right here, you want to come here and you want to type Instagram, because that's the name. The name is Instagram, and you want to click on add. And when you click on add, you can see Instagram right there. It has been added to your home screen. That is so nice. Just take a look at that. Look at the vibe. Like, it looks so futuristic. Trust me. That is how you add an app icon to your home screen. So I'm going to do one more just to show you guys how to do that, so you can get the idea behind it. So let's go back to the shortcut app, and let's go all the way away from here, and you want to click on the plus icon right here. So you click on that, you click on edit, and you click on open application. You click on app right here, and the next one we're going to be doing is we're going to do Gmail. So we're going to click on Gmail right here. So you want to click on the play button, and when you click on the play, you go back to the shortcut app, because basically you click on play so you can open the app, and then you click on the share button right here. Click on the share button. So once you click on the share button, you want to click on add to home screen, and you go to image, you go to choose photo. It's going to load up for a sec when you click on choose photo, and then you want to go all the way to your app icons. So for Instagram, I think I'm going to use I'm going to use this. I don't know if this is Neptune or whatever it is. You zoom in a little bit, click on choose, come here, and you write Gmail, because this is the Gmail. You add to home screen. There you go. So let's test it out. Instagram, simple, all the way back. Gmail, there you go. Instagram, Gmail. Simple. So that is how you add app icons to your home screen. So I'm going to do the rest, and I'm going to show you guys how it looks like. Okay guys, so this is how it looks right now. You can take a look at that. You can see I have my applications right there in different planet theme, and you can see right here I have two of the Dragon Ball anime characters. I have Goku. I've forgotten what this guy's name is, but one of these guy right here is my phone, and this right here is my messages. And you can see I have my YouTube studios right here. Just make that clear. I have my YouTube studios right here. I have my YouTube right here. I have Gmail, and I have Instagram right there. So pretty cool, and that is simply how you can do this. Very easy peasy. So one other thing I'm going to show you right here is the widget right here, how you can add live widgets. Like if you want the video to be playing in the background, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add that as well. So there's an application you have to download. It is called let me just show you. The application is called video widget right here. It's called video widget. I'm going to put the link in the description. So once you download it, you want to click hold on your screen, you want to click on that, you want to click on add widget, and you come there to video widget, and you want to click on that, add widget, hold on to that, hold on to this, and edit widget, select video, click on that and let it be, and there you go, you have your video widget. So this is the video I selected. It's a video of the earth rotating like 360. So that's basically how you get a video widget. And let's come back to the home screen and look at that. So one thing you can do, if you don't want to see the names of the applications, you can also hold on to this. You can click on that, and you can click on customize, and you can click on that, and there you go. There's no name anymore. So it kind of looks much more premium, and it gives you that aesthetic vibe you're going for. And there you go. So let's check the home lock screen again. I'm gonna take that out of the way. Let's check the lock screen again. Look at that. Pretty nice. And when you open up to the home screen, you get this. So that is how you can customize your home screen and your lock screen and your app icons. Let me know in the comment section if this helped you, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.